Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically send emails to newly created lead in Zoho CRM. So let us begin with a small example. So this is the lead owner, that is 𝗃𝙖𝙫𝗍, okay, that is the account holder, and these are the details of the lead. The first name is 𝗪𝗪𝗓 and the last name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. The company he works is Apple. This is the email address of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗆. On this particular email address we will be sending a confirmation email. And then we have the phone number, the mobile number, and the rest of the details like the address. So let me just click on save. Okay, so a new lead called as 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗆 has been created. So basically now 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗆 will be getting an email from me. So let us have a look at the email address of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗆, whether he has received this email or not. So this is the email profile of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗆. Let me just refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, we do have an email from 𝗃𝙖. Okay, so this is the email. Hello Darius, thanks for providing your data. You will be getting regular updates on this email address and this phone number. So we have got the data from Zoho CRM in Gmail. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Zoho CRM to Gmail? So here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Zoho CRM and Gmail. Now the best part of using this process is there is no need for coding skills or technical background. It can be done easily. So let me just show you the process. So basically in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have built an account, so let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pabbly. Scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Zoho CRM to Gmail. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally dependent on you. And let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with these trigger window as well as the action window? So when we talk about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. The trigger says if this happens, then that action should happen. The trigger here is basically a new lead is created in Zoho CRM. The action is an email is sent via Gmail. So using these 2 windows, we are going to create a workflow to integrate Zoho CRM to Gmail. Now here is something I have to tell you. After we have built a workflow that has integrated Zoho CRM to Gmail, we will make sure that the link of this workflow is available in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so let me start the process. In the choose app, in the trigger window, we select Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM, okay, so we have selected it. Then in the trigger event, how about we make it as new module entry? Okay, and simply just click on connect. So we are going with the new connection. Just click on connect with Zoho CRM. Okay, in my case, the domain is zoho.com. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. And let me just click on done. Now Pabbly Connect is demanding access. So before you click on accept, let me just tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press accept. Authorization successful. Excellent. Now in the module name, it is showing it as lead. Now if you still are failing to understand why I have selected zoho.com as the domain, so this is because this is the domain I have, zoho.com. In your case, it must be zoho.in, zoho.org. So choose accordingly, okay? So at this point, we have to select the module as lead. So these are all the modules we have, okay? So these are all the modules that is present in the Zoho account is being reflected here. Now I'm interested in leads, okay? So I have selected it. Now in the usual cases, if you're familiar with Pabbly Connect, you copy the webhook URL and paste it into the triggering software. But in this case, we don't have to do all those things. All you have to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the response, it is showing that it is waiting for the webhook response. This is basically the response, and here it is showing it is waiting for the webhook response. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create a new lead. So these are the details of the lead. So let me just create a lead, okay? And once the lead is created, the data will come here because Pabbly Connect is integrated with Zoho. So let me just click on create lead. The first name is Amy and the last name is Alexander. Okay, and this is the email address. This is the email profile of Amy Alexander. So I'm just going to copy the email, okay, because I'm going to show you the email that Amy has received. So that is why I'm just going to copy the email. Okay, so this is the email, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to paste it here. So this is the email address, okay, and the phone number is this, okay. This is basically the mobile number. I'm sorry. Then we have the industry as trade seminar, or the lead source as seminar, the industry as data telecom, and the rest of the details can be just filled random. Okay, so these are the rest of the details. Okay, so we have filled sufficient details. We have a person called as Amy Alexander, and this is the email address, 𝗵𝗆𝗠𝗃𝗍𝗫@gmail.com. So once the lead is created, the idea is that we will be sending an email to this particular email address. So let me just first create a lead. Oh, I'm sorry, the company has to be entered. The company Amy works is IBM. Okay, so let me just click on save now. So a new lead called as Amy Alexander has been created. Excellent. Since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Zoho CRM, let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect has captured the details of Amy Alexander. Okay, so I think it has captured the details. The module it is showing as leads. Excellent. And the company is IBM. Okay. This is basically the industry. This is the rest of the address related information. And we have the person. So let's explore the person. Okay, so this is the name, Amy Alexander. Okay, and the most important thing, where is the most important thing? That is the email. Where is the email? So where is the email? Email. Oh yeah, so this is the email. So on this particular email address, we will be sending a confirmation email, and we will be sending via Gmail. So in the action window, we are going to select the choose app as Gmail. Gmail, this one. Now in the action event, how about we make it as simply send an email and simply just click on connect. We are going with a new connection and click on connect with Gmail. So these are the series of Gmail accounts I have. Now I'm interested in this particular Gmail account, and using this particular Gmail account, I will be sending an email to amy26064@gmail.com. So I have selected that particular email address. Okay, so simply just press allow. Authorization successful. Okay, then we have the rest of the fields. The purpose of these fields is very simple. Using the data that we have collected from Zoho CRM via Pabbly Connect, we are going to compose an email and send it on Gmail. Then first field, we have the recipient name. Now the recipient name is Amy. Now this is the data that we have found here, Amy Alexander. So let's have a look. Yes, Amy Alexander. So the recipient name is Amy Alexander. So we are going to map it. Now mapping is easy. All you have to is just search for the data and you have mapped it. Then we have the recipient email. If you remember, it was something like Amy260 or something. Amy or Amy260. Yes, this is the one. And we have mapped it. The sender name. So this profile, this Zoho account belongs to 𝗏𝗍. So it should look like the 𝗏𝗍 is sending the confirmation emails. And the sender email address is, this is my email address through which we have connected. At the same time, we are going to send the email. So this is the email address. Okay, excellent. Then just ignore this reply to email address. The email subject is confirmation, or how about lead confirmation? Lead confirmation. Excellent. The email content, hello. Let's enter the name, not the full name, just the first name. I think it was Amy. Hello Amy, thanks for your data. You will be getting updates on this email address. Okay, so the email address is amy26064@gmail.com, and phone number. Let me just straight away add the phone number. So the phone number, so where is the phone number? Okay, so we have mapped the phone number. Hello Amy, thanks for your data. You will be getting updates on this email address and phone number. Excellent. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send this confirmation email to Amy. So let me do that. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let's have a look. Do we have a message in Amy's email profile? So yes, Amy has received the email from me. Hello Amy, thanks for your data. You will be getting updates on this email address and this phone number. So the presence of this data confirms we have a successful integration between Zoho CRM as well as Gmail. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Zoho CRM to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Gmail. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Zoho CRM and Gmail. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. The link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, if you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.